a super exciting game, and this game is called Dragon Snacks. We're gonna open it up and then we'll tell you guys how to play.
You wave your hand to start the magic, and then his belly will reveal the treasures. Watch his nose horn glow with color. Open his mouth and take a matching treasure. Collect 3 treasures first to win.
All right, okay, so let's turn this on. Let's turn this bad boy on.
Turn it on.
Do you wanna go first?
Yeah.
Oh, red. Okay, so open the mouth.
I have to get a red. Maybe it's in the corner.
And if it's not red, you have to put it back.
Oh, yes.
Hold on a second. You got red? What? Oh my god. Wow. Okay, my turn.
Well, you see all of them. And see which one you have to get. Ooh.
Green. Oh, the tail fell off. Okay.
Wait, I thought I saw one in the corner.
Green.
Yeah, in the corner.
Blue.
Now it's my turn. Let's see which color it is.
Red again.
Maybe it's in that corner.
Blue. Okay, my turn.
Blue.
Blue.
I got blue. Get a blue. Get a blue.
Okay, I hope I get blue. Blue. Your turn. On the belly part.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Uh-oh.
Wait, what's not going? Stop. Let's...
What does it say?
Wait, I saw yellow.
Yellow.
I have to be magic. Oh, yes.
Gosh, I have 1 and you have 2. Okay, guys. Let's rub the belly. Doesn't like me. Oh. I get any color! Oh my goodness! So guys, when it changes all different colors, that means you get anyone. Okay, your turn. And I think if it roars, then you skip a turn.
Hey, it's not. That's not the roar. Hey. Hi.
It does not like us.
Can you do it for me?
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Green! If you get green, then you win. Oh, blue! My turn. It better not roar at me. No roaring. Oh no! I guess that means I won! Do you want to play again?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna play one more time. Let's put all of them back in.
Round 2.
Round 2. Yellow.
Who just burped at me? Oh, I thought I saw one. No.
Blue. It just roared at me.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh! I think I skipped a turn. That's so weird. So it says like wave in front of the belly. Keep waving. Right in front of the belly. See, look guys, you're supposed to. Ah!
Oh my gosh!
What did you get?
I got a different color.
Oh my gosh! So what does that mean? What does that mean?
Tickle.
You get
Yellow.
anything?
Hey, you put the wings on me.
I hope he doesn't roar at me.
gonna try for you.
You want to try for me? Look, guys. Ah. Red. I hope I get red. Ah, blue.
Should have gone in the corner because. Hi. I love you. It's not. Do it for me.
Here, turn it this way.
Oh my gosh.
Green. Close your eyes and get green. Close your eyes. What'd you get?
Red.
Red. That's okay. I don't have any yet.
I have a secret one because look, it's.
Wow, that's so cool. I have no snacks yet.
Look, quick.
Blue.
I saw one. Let me
Here,
try.
it's okay. You trying to win for me? Woo! Remember, just like go really close to the belly. Keep going. Again. Yeah, scissors just to like wave. Hi.
Oh gosh. Let's see what I get.
Oh, guys, look! So you can choose anyone. Oh, excuse you. These burps.
Please get yellow, please. Oh.
Woo! Oh my god.
Okay, look, quick. Can you look?
Let me see. Ooh, I forget where the yellow was.
Go in the middle. Go in the middle.
Okay.
I saw something in the middle.
Right in the middle. Oh, green.
Wait, that was the same one I had.
Yeah. Okay, your turn. That was so fast. Yellow. Hey, no peeking.
I'm gonna make a ring for myself.
Oh my goodness, you're still beating me. Okay, guys, come on. I need to get the
Go so
multicolored.
fast.
I need to get the multicolored one. Hey guys, take a look. Oh, I didn't see red. I'm just gonna guess, and it's going to be in the corner. Ah! 2-2. Come on, you gotta beat me.
How?
Here, let me help you.
Oh my gosh.
No! Oh, Logan won this round! High five! Sure. Okay guys, we want to thank you so much for watching us play the super fun Dragon Snacks game. You guys definitely need to go get this game right now and play at home. It's so much fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Bye guys.